Alright, we're going to repair the underside of a bed that takes the wooden planks and the straps right there that are stapled to it that are all broken, thus making the planks spread more than they should, come out. So let's get to it. What you're going to need is tie down strap, either old in good shape or new, 1/4 inch heavy duty staples, staple gun, something to pull out the old staples, and something to cut the new tie down strap. First off, you're going to want to cut everything loose here, get the old strap off. Next, you separate the shortest part from the longest part of the strap, because you'll be using this. That should be long enough to cover a length of a twin bed, which these bunk beds are. And there we go. So all you have is strap. You're going to be using about half of this for one side, half of this for the other side. First thing you do is space them out as evenly as you can. I don't care because no one else is looking at them. So what I did was I staple the ones that are bolted on the end, middle, and the other end, and just staple all the other ones. Trim the end, and start working on the other side. So here's the bottom bunk that I already did. Nice and neat. I double stapled it. I felt no need to triple, but it'll hold up. And how it's set up, this bunk bed at least, bolted here, bolted in the middle, bolted on the other end. Keeps all these from moving around. Keeps your kids from knocking these out from under them, going through the mattress. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and all that jazz.